This plant, it's one more new one for me, and from the I got the identification as Ipomoea aquatica. It's a Ipomoea that lives in watery places, marshes and all, and it's a important vegetable, it seems, in these far eastern countries like the Thailand, Indonesia, and all those places where they have a lot of moist valleys and all, river valleys and all. And the leaves are quite lush and soft and succulent, and it spreads sideways. It's actually, you can see it's kind of spreading sideways. And then also some utricularia are there, you can see over there. So though I have never seen this flower of this Ipomoea, this Ipomoea aquatica. So that's how it looks.